Hello, YouTube! This is Trainboy54, and you're probably wondering, hey, what is this? There's supposed to be more than this many custom trains that you can show on YouTube. Well, I just want to show at least these 3 custom trains for right now, so... Well, I'll show more than that many trains later in another video or two. But let's get started! What we've got here is Scruff the Scruncher. I'm sure you remember in one of my top 5 Thomas episode remake clips of 2021. This one was based in the episode, was inspired in Scruff's makeover. I got another Scruff off of eBay. This is the Scruff I ordered off of eBay. But this is how I made him. I spray painted him, well, not too much black. I printed out and glued on what here looks like garbage. So, yeah, I printed out, used a glue stick to glue them down. Well, I spray painted the garbage, not too much black. Then I cut them out and glued them on, which was perfect for Scruff. And I used tape to cover up his eyes and his mouth. I didn't want to spray paint his whole face, because he looked too dirty for the remake. I even spray painted Scruff's wheels, not too much black as well. But this Scruff came to me on eBay, along with this boxcar, or assault wagon. This color looks nice. I like what it did for Scruff. Well, how the toy company made this wagon. I think it suits Scruff. Well, next we've got the black and yellow tanker cars. One is black and the other one is white. Luckily, I've got my lucky ghost penguin train right over there. Anyway, these tanker cars were very simple. They were made out of the plain yellow tanker cars, the fuel tanker cars. I had to take both tanker cars apart, then spray paint one white and one black. So, well, you could probably see where it's yellow from the sticker. Yeah, it's the classic Tomy Sodor fuel tanker cars. But this tanker car was different to the Sodor fuel tanker. Yeah, I had to spray paint these 2 tanker cars, one black and one white. The black tanker car was for, like, tar or oil. The white tanker car can be used for milk or cream. And for our third custom train is my custom redesigned Trackmaster Red Henry. Well, inspired by the railway series Henry Sees Red. I used red paint to paint everything on Henry. His smoke box, the boiler, the wheel arches, his cab. The red wheels were from... Oh, what was it? I think it's Trackmaster Mike, or... Well, yeah, I'm pretty sure the red wheels were from the Trackmaster Mike. So I swapped out Henry's motor, or wheels, with Mike's wheels. Henry's tender is still okay. It's still green with number 3. So, I guess we'll give my custom Red Henry a run, along with the other 2 custom trains. So, I hope you all understand that this is only 3 custom trains I could show for this custom trains video for now. I bet my penguin train can't wait to run around the pool table along with the other 3 trains. Maybe we'll give only 1 or 2 trains running at a time. So, well, I hope that's alright with you folks. But there will be only 3 trains for this video running. But stay tuned, there will be more than this many custom trains for me to show you. So, thanks for watching anyway, and stay tuned for more Trainboy 54 videos of 2021. Take care to you all.